DETECTO is leading the way in mobile clinical storage, offering unparalleled features in the medical cart market. When you place a crash cart order with DETECTO, your cart will ship within 72 hours, so there are no lengthy delays and frustrating wait times. DETECTO Whisper Series carts contribute to optimal patient satisfaction and medical professional recommendation. You'll soon see why. DETECTO medical carts come in Rescue and Whisper brands, each with their own distinct features and benefits. DETECTO's carts are manufactured from quality steel cart body construction that is powder coat painted for durability with easy-to-clean ABS countertops. The carts come in multiple color options: red, blue, yellow, and white for color-coded departmental designations. Each DETECTO cart comes with your choice of a 5 or 6 drawer combination. The cart's 5-inch diameter wheels feature 2 parking locks as well as 1 steering lock. The push handle offers a user-friendly design that nurses around the world love to use. The carts offer 360-degree rotation for maneuvering around tight corners. ABS bumpers protect all 4 corners. All DETECTO carts come with EMG breakaway or keyed locks that secure all of the drawers at the same time for added convenience. EMG breakaway locks come standard on the red crash carts, and keyed locks come on the blue, yellow, and white carts. Multiple optional accessories are available to customize your cart, such as IV poles, defibrillator shelves, cardiac boards, oxygen tank holders, bin organizers, catheter holders, waste bins, and a whole host of other accessories. DETECTO customers may also purchase fully loaded carts pre-stocked with accessories needed for ER and anesthesiology departments. The Whisper series offers additional features that aren't offered by anyone else in the clinical mobile storage market. The drawer facades quickly snap off and back on. This unique feature is paramount for hygienic cleanup after body fluid spatters and helps with infection control. Notice the Whisper series completely sealed drawer rails that don't have any exposed seams, which make hygienic wipe down easy. As the name implies, the Whisper series offers the ultimate in whisper quiet rolling convenience with its insulated interior walls. Rolling a fully loaded whisper cart down the hallway won't wake sleeping patients and should never cause a noise disturbance. This provides optimal patient satisfaction. The soft closed drawers also glide shut for added superior convenience. The Whisper cart's balanced design will not topple over when full drawers are extended. You have to see and use DETECTO carts to fully experience the unique form and function of DETECTO's superior quality. DETECTO carts are in stock and available for order today. So please call us at 800-641-2008 or visit us online at www.detecto.com to learn more. Since 1900, DETECTO has been manufacturing quality products for the clinical field.